Lava Manggarai, Maiga ite, Bantang Chama Rechelele,
Yeah.
Nae Cha Angit, Tuka Cha Leleng, Kope Oros, Todo Kongol, Nika Barabana, Nika Dugadio, Chama Levang Mengkrepeang, Chama Poe Menggrone,
Yeah.
Tava Lima Gantang, Regis Lima Leke, Nang Tereng Len.
Yeah. Okay. Ellen. Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
I think it was a great pleasure for me to meet you here. I'm so grateful to meet you as a foreigner. I really need your help to motivate, to invite, and to increase our people awareness related our mother tongue, our language, our traditional language in Manggqrai. So you can speak in our language now at the moment, and to we call koe'd. We call koe'd as a special language in our district, Manggarai district. And you can read at first. You can read. If you can memorize, you can say directly to all the young leaders, all the people in Manggqrai Regency, wherever they live, something like that. Okay, maybe you can do now. You can start.
Yes.
Something you can read.
Yes,
This.
I tried.
Yeah.
Lava Manggarai, Maiga ite, Bantang Chama Rechelele, Nai Cha Angit, Tuka Cha Leleng, Kope Oles, Toto Kongol, Neka Barabana, Neka Tugadio, Chama Levang Nengberpiang, Chama Po Nengreone, Tava Lima Gantang, Regis Lima Lege, Nang Tereng Leng.
Yeah, that's good. I think you can read it clearly and very well. You can do very maybe you can do one more time, I think. And I will show you. You can see. Lava Manggarai, Maiga ite, Bantang Chama, Rejelele, Naicha Angit, Tuka Chaleleng, Kope Oles, Todo Kongkol. Nika Barabana, Nika Tukadio, Chama Levang Gerpea, Chama Poengrone, Tava Lima Gantang, Reges Lima Leki, Nang Tenelen. And I will give you the meaning of this sentence. Lava Manggarai means all the people in Manggqrai. Maiga ite, let us together, discuss together. Bantan Chama Rejile, discuss together. Naicha Angit Tuka Cheleleng, one heart, one soul. So when we are facing the problem in our lifetime, we can sit together and try to find a good solution, something like that. And if always do like that in our lifetime, our community, I think we can live our life peacefully, happiness, and without conflict again. So we always happy, now and forever, something like that. So maybe you can once again to speak, and while you read and see to all the people in Manggqrai who watch this video, something like that. Yeah. You can do now.
Lava Manggarai, Maiga ite, Bantang Chama Rechelele, Naicha Angit, Tuka Cha Leleng, Kope Oles, Toto Kongol, Nika Barabana, Nika Tugadio, Chama Levang Nengreang, Chama Poe Nengreone, Tava Lima Gantang, Reges Lima Leke, Nang Tindang Len.
Nang Tindang Len. I think you can one more time. I think the last one it's very clear. I think you mean. Yeah. You can do again once more time.
Okay. Now it's getting more quiet. Lava Manggarai, Maiga ite. Bantang chama reche lele.
Yeah.
Nae cha angit. Tuka cha leleng. Kope oros. Todo kongol. Neka barabana. Neka dugadio. Chama levang mengkrepeang. Chama poe mengrone.
Yeah.
Tawa lima kantang. Reges lima leke. Nang tereng len.
Yeah, I think you already do it very well. This is very clear. I think. I'm really sure you can do it as I hope. So once again, thank you very much for your kindness.
You're welcome.
So you today maybe you are the second. You're the second foreigners who come from Germany who already give a speech to motivate, to invite all the young generation in our district, Manggarai district especially, and also around the world, wherever they live. So they never forget their language, all traditional language. Why I do this method? Because I think that only through language we can make a communication, to connect people to people around the world. Also, I think maybe you, how do you think about? How do you think about language? In my opinion, language is the basic instrument for us, for human being around the world to connect people. For example, why you come here? Because I think because of the language, by using maybe English or Indonesian or whatever language you using. You do. I think through this we can connect, make a communication. So I myself really love about the language. So that's why I try to motivate, to increase our people, our young generation to love especially our mother tongue. Because when we come to in this world, when we was born, our mother, our family try to. So once again, through this, I will ask all our people in every household, so they can teach. Never forget to teach their child, their generation, the first our mother tongue, something like that. And Indonesian, our national language, and another language like English or maybe about German. I think we can also learn, but the first thing we must learn our mother tongue, something like that. Maybe you have opinion related
Yes.
to
Now, when I can't speak my mother tongue, I see how important it is to have a mother tongue.
yeah.
If you can speak like fluently, you feel the connection. It's getting deeper. And I have met a couple, and we couldn't talk to each other. That was so pity. But we felt a connection.
Yeah, something.
But it was so sad that we couldn't really talk to
Yeah.
So I think language is very
Connect people to come through language. We can make communication to other people around the world. Connect people like Facebook. The main principle of Facebook is to connect people to people. I think maybe because the main instrument, main tools to connect people to people are just using language. Yeah, that's my Maybe you have something in your own language. Maybe you can translate this Manggqrai language into your maybe like a message. Maybe you have like a message, special message to our generation in your language.
in my language. Perhaps in my dialect.
Yeah. I think that's good.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to go out with my family, so if you need something, you can ask in the staff for the motorbike maybe.
Yes, the motorbike. Yeah.
Motorbike, I already preparing the key. You take this one.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Yes.
Yes. Okay, you can say in. Let me once again to translate the meaning of each of this statement. Lava Manggqrai means all the people, Manggarai people, especially young generation in Manggqrai. Maika ite, let us together. Let us together, invite them, discuss together, sit together to discuss together. Naija Angit means one heart, one soul. So never be apart, something like that. And kopi rukun the same. Just repeat again in another statement. Neka barabana, one heart. We all invite to one heart, motivate to one heart, and never separate. Never be apart, something like that.
Okay.
So always together. So if we do like that, this advice, this message, so we can live our life grateful, happiness, and full of joy, something like that, now and forever, maybe. So you can speak in your language. German? Do you have a mother tongue also?
The mother tongue is German, but the dialect is Swabian. It's in the southern part of
south part of German.
Germany, yes. Where my region where I come from is Swabian.
Maurits.
Yeah.
Maurits.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Ja. Ich spreche mal in Schwäbisch. Liebe Leute, zusammenkommen, zusammenhocken, miteinander schwätzen, das ist einfach wichtig. Das bereichert unser Leben und einfach zu fühlen, man ist Teil vom Ganzen, das füllt unser Herz und das macht uns glücklich.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I think today we meet someone who's really helpful. So I hope everybody in Manggarai, wherever they live, they can start to love their mother tongue, something like that. So once again, thank you very much.
You're welcome. It was a great pleasure for me. Thank you for your invitation.
And I really hope you can enjoy your stay here.
I'm sure.
And you can see around our place. And hopefully you can enjoy your journey, your trip, and at the time you can back and meet your family in Germany in healthy and safety. We can pray something like that.
Thank you
very
very
much.
Thank you.